Hey everybody, this is Justin with Justin Buys Houses. Just getting ready for our open house. This is for our pre-renovation special. As you can see, there's a lot of windows to be installed. Some of the rooms are still in the process of being renovated. We just took over the property a week ago, so this is a property that is in the middle of renovation. With inventory being really tight, we feel we're doing our service to the market and the general public by putting this out there. There's a lot of loan programs that can allow a potential buyer to build all the improvements into the loan. For example, the FHA 203K loan or a Fannie Mae loan, 3.5% down for FHA, 5% down for the Fannie Mae loan, and you could build all the improvements in, use your own contractor, complete this property how you want. So this is a pre-renovation special. We're having an open house at noon. Just got our new shirts and, excited to put this property out there. But thanks for everybody's support. We did the best we can just to have it semi-ready and safe to walk through. We've only had it, like I said, for a week. It was last Friday that we executed the contract, and we're excited. Hope to see you guys at noon, and we will keep everyone informed. Thanks again.